Welcome to our channel. If you want to download HelloFresh recipes to save your favorite meals and cook them again later, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the HelloFresh app on your mobile device, or visit HelloFresh.com in your web browser. Sign into your account using your email address and password. Step 2. Navigate to your account dashboard or profile section by tapping on your account icon or name in the top corner. Step 3. Look for a section labeled My Recipes, Recipe Box, or Order History. This is where HelloFresh stores all the meals you've received in past deliveries. Step 4. Browse through your recipe history and select the recipe you want to download. Click on the recipe to open the full recipe card with ingredients and instructions. Step 5. Look for a Save, Download, or PDF icon on the recipe page. Some versions of HelloFresh allow you to save recipes directly or download them as PDF files. Step 6. If there's no download button, you can save the recipe using your browser's print function. Press Ctrl-P or Command-P, then select Save as PDF from the printer options. Step 7. Choose where to save your recipe PDF file on your device. You can also take screenshots of recipe cards to save them to your photo library. Repeat this process for all your favorite HelloFresh recipes to build your personal cookbook collection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.